Hey guys, I'm back with a quick tutorial on how to sublimate wood. So basically what we're going to need is sublimation print on sublimation paper from your sublimation printer, some natural wood. You can also do MDF with that is already comes painted. You'll also need some laminate sheets, and you'll just tear them apart like this to use them. And then you'll need some HTV vinyl. I'm using white. You're also going to need a cutting mat and a cutting tool. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to get a piece of natural wood just for a sample piece for this purpose, and what I'm doing is getting the HTV and placing the mat side on the wood and just securing it with some heat resistant tape. You're going to use your Autopress or heat press at 300 degrees for 20 seconds. Put some butcher paper down and also put some on top to protect your Autopress, and then just press it. Once it's done, I like to use a brayer just to make sure there's no wrinkles or anything, just to get a smooth surface. And then we're going to trim the excess and then remove the carrier sheet. As you can see, it's very smooth, and if you'd like, you can use some sanding paper just to get the edges off. I like to do that with a sanding block. It's really smooth, as you can see. Next, use a lint roller just to remove any sawdust, and then get your laminate sheet, and you're going to use the matte side against the wood and secure it with some heat resistant tape. Go ahead and place it on the heat press and then put the butcher paper on top and then press it for the same 20 seconds. I like to use the brayer again, and then we're going to trim the excess as well, and just to make sure there's nothing overhanging. And as you can see, it's very smooth. It's a nice clean surface. And now we're going to place that surface against the paper. We're going to increase the temperature to 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Use the butcher paper and then press. And then once it's done, we're going to go ahead and reveal the image. And next you just reveal the design. As you can see, it was very vibrant. It went onto the laminate sheet very well, and you have the white background without having to worry about paint or poly acrylic or anything like that for your adhesion. So I think it looks great. I hope you like this and try it out.